Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best USB flash drives in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a compact and affordable flash drive for quick and easy file transfers for smaller files, or a higher-end drive with impressive data transferring power, we'll have the USB flash drive for you. If you want more information and the best pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you want an ultra-compact USB drive, the Samsung Fit Plus is a great option. It offers a solid mix of features and affordability that starts at $8 for 32 gigabytes. It comes with a compact, low-profile design and relatively fast data transfer speeds. It's one of the smallest drives currently available and a great semi-permanent external storage option, especially for older devices. While it might be easily misplaced because of its size, it has a dedicated keychain attachment to keep it tethered for safekeeping. It has impressive build quality and it's shock, magnet, temperature, X-ray, and waterproof, so it'll hold up over time. I also like that it comes with a generous 5-year limited warranty for additional longevity. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an activity light, but this is a minor omission for most users and won't impact functionality. You get 32 gigabytes of storage, which is a solid amount of space to store your documents or music library, or you can opt for a higher-end configuration with more capacity depending on your needs. Even though it doesn't transfer data as efficiently as a solid-state drive, it's a solid tool to store files that don't need quick real-time access. It supports USB 3.1 connectivity, and it delivers a data transfer read speed of 200 megabytes per second and respectable write speeds overall, which is impressive considering the low price. I also like that it's backward compatible with USB 2.0 ports for added versatility, so it'll be able to work with most devices. The Samsung Fit Plus comes with a compact design that can be used on nearly any device you own. You get a solid amount of storage space, a durable build to keep your data safe, and solid data transfer speeds. I would recommend this for anyone who wants semi-permanent storage without breaking the bank. For anyone looking for a USB flash drive that will hold up over time, the Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth might have the durability you want. Starting at $16 for 16 gigabytes, the Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth is a USB drive that delivers solid performance and a high-end build. You get a premium design to protect the drive from damage, plenty of storage space for your files, and surprising performance with respectable data transfer speeds. It comes with a cylindrical screw-top design and an anodized aircraft-grade aluminum housing to keep your files safe. While some users might feel that it's tricky to plug in, it has an EPDM rubber seal that provides waterproofing up to 200 meters, a molded shock dampening collar with shockproofing up to 40G, and vibration resistance, so you can be sure it will withstand punishment over time. It also comes with a hole to hook onto your keys or lanyard for safekeeping, which is a nice add-on. It comes with a somewhat limited 16 gigabytes of storage for the price, which is less than the cheaper Samsung Fit Plus, but it comes in configurations up to 256 gigabytes if you need larger capacity to store your information. I like that you get USB-A 3.0 compatibility, which delivers noticeably faster performance with compatible laptops over previous versions. It's also backward compatible with USB 2.0, so it can connect to a wide range of devices, and it delivers plug-and-play functionality. You get read speeds of 85 megabytes per second that transfer data relatively fast, along with respectable write speeds. The Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth gives you a high-end build with durable materials to keep your information safe. It also has impressive data transfer speeds, near universal connectivity, and backward compatibility with older devices, and a premium anodized aluminum body. I would recommend this if you travel or if you need a drive that will last. If you're looking for a USB Type-C flash drive, then the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Lux is our choice as the best in this category. It starts at $11 for 32 gigabytes, and it delivers high-end performance and multiple USB inputs for versatile connectivity. It comes with a sleek and durable aluminum build and a useful companion app to manage your files. It has a durable, all-metal exterior made from aluminum that offers a premium appearance, and the metal acts as a heatsink to keep performance high. It also has a hole in the body, so you can easily attach it to a keychain for grab-and-go access. I think the versatile dual connector system is an outstanding feature, and it has 2 connectors that are compatible with USB Type-A and Type-C ports, so you can conveniently transfer data from older to newer devices. It has a swinging cover to protect the connectors, and even though it can only protect one side at a time, the rotating mechanism is sturdy enough to last. It provides a solid 32 gigabytes of storage, and it comes in configurations up to 1 terabyte depending on your needs. While it's not powerful enough to act as a system drive, it comes with USB 3.1 first-gen support that delivers read speeds up to 150 megabytes per second, which is impressive for a flash drive. The write speeds vary by capacity, but it's better suited for light file writing. I think the Memory Zone companion app is solid, and it acts as a dedicated file manager. It also provides additional features such as automatic file backups and the ability to connect cloud storage. The SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Lux USB is a versatile drive that can connect to a range of devices. It gives you a wide selection of storage options, automatic backups to keep your data safe, and a premium build that maintains performance. I would recommend this if you want to easily transfer data between sources. Now, if you're an Apple enthusiast and you want something compatible with your iPhone, the JD TDC Apple MFI Certified Photo Stick could suit your needs. Starting at $40 for the 128GB option, the JD TDC Apple MFI Certified Photo Stick is compatible with any Apple product that has a Lightning port, and it delivers solid functionality. You get comprehensive support for most file types, protective casing to prevent damage to the connectors, and solid data transfer speeds for larger files. It comes in a range of colors, including a sleek metallic silver finish, and it has an integrated keyring hole, so you can keep it easily accessible and secure. You get a protective casing to prevent the connectors from getting damaged, but it can only protect one side at a time. I like that it has a dual connector setup, which includes a normal USB port to connect to your computer and an iPhone-friendly connector that supports any iPhone above iOS 9.0 with a Lightning port, although it can't connect to some newer Apple products with USB-C ports. Depending on how much you need, there's also a more expensive 512GB option. Both options comes with an MFI certification and USB 3.0 compatibility, which delivers read speeds of 80 megabytes per second to effectively transfer larger files from your Apple device, along with respectable writing speeds of 40 megabytes per second. I think that the comprehensive support of most major music, text, and movie formats provides solid versatility. It also has a companion app with some useful additional features, such as backups for your files or contacts, and the ability to play media stored on the drive from your device without an internet connection. The JD TDC Apple MFI Certified Photo Stick is a great option if you're looking to free up space or transfer files. It comes with an Apple-friendly connection, a solid starting capacity for your documents, and an intuitive companion app. I would recommend this to anyone with an Apple device who needs additional space. For anyone who wants a top-notch USB flash drive, the SanDisk Extreme Pro USB 3.2S is a high-end option you should consider. It starts at $42 for 128GB, and it's a high-end solid-state flash drive with blazing fast performance. It comes with an upgraded USB connection, outstanding read and write speeds, and some additional safety measures to keep your information secure. You get a premium aluminum casing that can withstand some long-term punishment, a recessed connector that slides out to prevent wear and tear, a convenient LED light, and a keyring to keep it within your reach. While I think the initial price is relatively expensive, SanDisk offers a generous lifetime warranty to maintain high-end performance over time. It lacks a dual connector design and only features a single USB Type-A connection, but it still delivers impressive results overall. It also comes with the Secure Access software, which provides 128-bit AES encryption to add another layer of security to safeguard your sensitive information. It's available up to a maximum capacity of 1 terabyte to suit your needs. I believe the improved USB 3.2 connection sets it apart, and it delivers astonishing read speeds up to 420 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 380 megabytes per second, which significantly outpaces the other drives on this list and can transfer large files efficiently. Unfortunately, the read speeds can be inconsistent and prone to slowing down, but it's backward compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports, so it can connect to most of your devices. It also has the Rescue Pro companion software to help back up your information and recover any lost files. The SanDisk Extreme Pro USB 3.2S offers class-leading performance and a robust feature set. It comes with fast processing speeds, a range of software to keep your information protected and accessible, and a premium build to hold up over time. I would recommend this for anyone who needs a powerful option to transfer a lot of data. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.